while the people is the gigolo. I'm the live MC, the rap extraordinaire. A duplication of my devastating sound is real. As the rhymes relate, I gain altitude. Every one Pacific rhythm, that's a make you move. So, scratch the record, jack the bass, because the MC of the century is now in the place. When I'm going in the battle, I can never retreat. Evaporating MCs like a portal in the street. And off the mic controller coming out full blast, throwing down on the mic, turn the circus to ass. If you wanna penetrate my rhymes, you're out of luck. Cause my rhymes are built tough like a Tonka truck. Manipulator, devastator, equal to 3. Throwing down on the mic, most definitely. And you.
Much more, get ill if you try to bite what I explore. Bad to the bone, by the sound of the tone. Definitely you know it when your stereo's on. I'm Bronco riding and I'm dressed unique. Bust stupid hard jams every day of the week. Get on down, it's about that time. Cause fresh killer D haven't finished the rhyme. I'm in hard, cool and cool. Smooth as can be and from the old school. Speaking bold rap, we never grow old. 6 foot tall in a heart of gold. Can't be touched with a tip of pole. Every MC in the business I done took the soul. Competition with D, competition in none. Not 3, not 2, I'm number 1. Paid in full, don't take no bull. Big money now I'm macking and I got the pull. Like Action Jackson, I lay my satisfaction romantic. And I'm the king of passion.
Like survive, cause I'm the keeper of the keys in the 808. So put your hands in the air and participate. Keep moving and grooving and popping and locking to the top. Everybody say, one nation under a groove, designed for the dance floor, bust the move. Electro funk the party, and this beat's for everybody. I walk through the jungle with a drum machine, and all God's creatures began to sing. Freak to the beat and the spell you under. You got a broken beat, no need to panic. Call Shiny Beat Fresh, I'm your funk mechanic. Mechanic.
Play black, funky, funky, funky.
I'm the funk mechanic.
Play black, funky, funky, funky.
I'm the funk mechanic.
Play black, funky, funky, funky.
I'm the funk mechanic.
Play black, funky, funky, funky.
I'm so fresh, I'm never stale. I fix any party, I never fail. I'm dope, I can't be the whack. Got your old grandma spinning on her back. I'm living proof, I'm living the dream. I'm Shiny Beat Fresh, Beat Boy Supreme. I'm a weirdo, I am not the norm. Electro funk, stay true to form. I'm a purist, without no cut. You wonder how I do it, say what? I put fat laces in places with different races and faces. I put shell toes on your sneakers. I put the bass in your speakers, yeah. And if your party is dead, no need to panic. Call Shiny Beat Fresh, I'm your funk mechanic. Mechanic.
Play black, funky, funky, funky.
I'm the funk mechanic.
Play black, funky, funky, funky.
I'm the funk mechanic.
Play black, funky, funky, funky.
I'm the funk mechanic.
Play black, funky, 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 funky.
Fresh is in the building, so you know it's time to party. And when you get that feeling
Now dance. Dance for me. Just dance. Come on and dance. Dance for me. Just dance. Dance for me. Booty call. Wait, wait. Booty call. Wait, wait. Booty call. Wait, wait. Booty call. Wait, wait. Booty call. Wait, wait, booty. Booty call. Wait, wait, booty.
Boom goes the bass, we bout to get busy, yo. Shiny be fresh if you ask, and who is he? Just freak to the drums that I be programming. From the burbs to the slums, I keep the beat slamming. I'm the best in the West, cause I'm a go-getter. Feel the bass in your chest, it gets no better. Techno hop, non-stop, and I keep the house rocking. I'm the one man band, and I got your girl jocking. Got that techno hop, make you break, make you pop. It's that techno hop, and we bout to red shop. It's that techno hop, you know it don't stop. We got that techno hop, and we let the bass drop. It's for the B-boys, homie, and all the fly ladies. New funk for your trunk, that sounds like the 80s. I'm a old school player, I start in East Oakland, Kelly Hill, Larch Road. I keeps the beat smoking. Had $200, went to the pawn shop, bought a 606 and made the beat drop. Hit the block and saved up and bought an 808. Then the bass got deeper. I know you can relate. That techno hop, make you break, make you pop. It's that techno hop, and we back to red shop. That techno hop, you know it don't stop. That techno hop, and we let the bass drop. I'm so
Manhattan, we can feel the beat.
DMV gave the Beastie Boys a license to ill. Took Kumo D to the doctor for a pill. But it's 1988, girls, and we're gonna get it together for you like this.
Wanna go to the liquor store and get a 8-ball, baby, get a 8-ball, so we can get drunk, or we'll get drunk. We'll have some fun, baby, we'll have some fun. Now do you wanna go to the liquor store and get a 8-ball, baby, get a 8-ball, so we can get drunk, or we'll get drunk. We'll have some fun, baby, we'll have some fun. Now check us out.
East Coast, West Coast, we came here to ride. I am Deruso. I came here from another planet, the Hub City, baby, and it's a Hub City rock. DJ Joe Cooley, dance a lot, kid. Aw, show 'em, fellas.
Ô tempo bom, hein?
Mixagens DJ Marquinho Vinícius.
Tempo bom, hein?